Now, what if I told you that some of the biggest influencers on Instagram right now are not even real people? Most people think that AI influencers are just a futuristic concept, but it's actually already real. For example, Lil Miquela, who has amassed over 2.4 million followers in just a couple of months. Or Fit Aitana, who's an AI fitness influencer with over 350,000 followers. And there's a bunch of other people as well who are building massive audiences with AI influencers and cashing in on this trend. But what nobody is talking about is that you no longer need to have a Hollywood team or a Hollywood budget to make this happen. You can actually create an AI influencer like them in under an hour, even if you are a beginner and you don't have crazy tech skills. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can create your own AI influencer using a software called Arcads AI. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Arcads, which I'm going to leave down below in the description box. And what makes this platform different from all the other AI tools is that this tool is specifically made to create human-looking AI avatars. It doesn't just create cartoon characters or obviously AI-looking faces, their avatars actually look like a human being. The problem with previous solutions was that they didn't look real, they were not consistent, they couldn't really show emotions, and they were super complex to create. With Arcads, you can have the best quality, it's really easy to use, and it's easy to achieve consistency. Now, if you want to create a really good looking AI actor, you can find an inspiration model on TikTok, Instagram, or cosmos.so, screenshot it, ask ChatGPT to describe it, and then use that description as your prompt to create the actor. Now, this is where the magic actually happens. Arcads AI can create consistent photos of your character in different outfits, holding different items, and in different settings and scenarios. You don't have to worry about the lighting, the camera angles, or bad photos. Your AI influencer looks good every single time. Now let's go ahead and make our first AI influencer together. So when you arrive in Arcads, you can click here on Add Actors, and right here, click on Create Actors if you want to make a brand new AI influencer. And from here, you basically have two paths that you can go down on. One is that you can make one from a prompt and reference images, or you can transform an existing picture into a talking actor. Now the second one, super self-explanatory. You just upload a picture of a person and it can turn it into a talking actor. Or you can go ahead and start it from scratch and make it from a prompt. Now that is what I'm going to do in this case. For example, I'm going to say young female from Sweden with blonde hair, blue eyes, and fit body wearing a white t-shirt. After this, you can also choose the aspect ratio that you want, or you could upload your reference image here and you can click on generate. After this, it's going to make the initial variation of your actor, which you can then also go ahead and prompt furthermore to make smaller adjustments. All right, here we are. So it gave me three different options. As you can see, they all look really good. It nailed pretty much everything, right? Like she definitely has blonde hair, she definitely has blue eyes, and she's definitely wearing a white shirt. And to me, she looks Swedish, right? Now, from here, you can go ahead and select the one that you want to move forward with, or even download this picture for a reference. I'm going to choose this one. And if you want to continue the iteration, you can do it right here, right? So I'm going to iterate this and say that she is standing in front of a Christmas tree. And just like this, you can put her in different scenarios with different backgrounds, or even make her hold an object like a coffee or a fitness rug or whatever it is that you want. So you can see I got three more options right here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with this one. And now I can click here on select your actor. And now she will actually turn into like a proper actor who can say whatever words I want her to say. So this is going to be perfect for Instagram Reels or TikToks, right? So you can now go ahead and describe what she's doing, but you don't even necessarily have to do that if you don't want to. So I'm just going to click here on turn into talking actor. And after this, it's going to obviously consume some credits for you. So you just have to say click confirm, turn into talking actor. And now the next step is to choose her speaking voice. You can choose here from female, male, you can choose the age as well. You can choose the accent you want them to have and the language as well. So you can see that we have a lot of language options. We have a lot of accent options as well right here, which is super cool. And once you found the voice that you like, you can just click here on pick voice. Now this is going to take a few minutes, and once it's done, you will get a notification as well. Now, just to show you how you can also put your AI influencer into a new scenario, basically I have another one here, right? Is click here on these three dots, click here on new version, and then you can make more iterations, right? So you can just like put in here what you want the character to do or what situation you want her to be in, and then you can just generate new versions easily like that. All right, now I have my avatar ready right here, so I can just click on her, click here on add actors, and after this, as you can see, I have Zarya right here, which is the brand new AI influencer that I created. Now, if I want to tweak her voice settings, I can click right here on this, and I can change the speed, the stability, similarity, and even style exaggeration. Now, you can either do text to speech or you can do speech to speech. Now, with speech to speech, you are going to be able to replicate more specific ways of, you know, saying a certain sentence. So if you want to create like a very specific way of her, you know, using tonality, you can actually do that with speech to speech, where you upload a voice sample and it's going to recreate it in her specific voice. So that is pretty cool. Now, if I just want her to say a simple, you know, sentence, I came up with this very funny joke with ChatGPT. Then you could just go ahead, you know, select your actor right here, submit this, click here on generate video, and it's going to make this video with her saying this exact sentence that I want.
I didn't bring gifts this year. My presence is the present. Literally, I'm standing right here. Funny, right?
So this is just, you know, one thing that you can do with ARCADs. You can also do gestures as well with your AI influencer. So basically, if you want the actor to create like a very specific emotion or to do, again, a specific gesture, you can also do that if you click here on gestures and you describe the gesture that you want to create. For example, make the actor celebrate. Now, I'm going to generate a couple of these and pop it up on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, but it's literally this simple. And outside of this, they also have two new beta features: the B-rolls feature, where you can create videos up to 10 seconds long from text and images, and then also the scenes feature, where you can basically make the actors do whatever it is that you want. So if you want the actor to come into the frame, pick up the camera, and then say something to it, it can actually do that as well. Okay, and just like that, our AI avatar is now ready. So if you want to continue on from here, we can have a little sneak peek at how she looks. And as you can see, it looks super realistic and amazing. So now, if we want to make sure that we can also use it to make these videos, we want to click here on launch lip sync. And now what this tool is going to do is basically train itself on this exact model that I created to make sure that whatever sentences we want her to say, it's going to look very natural because it's lip synced.
So, my Christmas tree is still up. At first I told people I was just lazy, then I said it was for Orthodox Christmas. Then Valentine's Day came around and I started calling it my romantic mood lighting. At this point, I think I'll just keep it up year-round and rebrand it as an all-season tree. Saves me a lot of explaining. Hey there. Today we're going to be viewing an amazing property here in snowy New York City. Hope you are going to enjoy.
So I know that all of this stuff that is happening right now with AI influencers is pretty crazy, but let's be real, it's probably not going away anytime soon. In fact, they are only going to become more and more common and more sophisticated. So the real question is, do you want to be ahead of the curve by learning how to use these tools, or play catch up a few years from now? Everything I showed you today with ARCAD's AI can be implemented today. You don't need any special skills, you don't need any crazy equipment. All you need to do is to sit down and start playing around with this tool. So if you want to go ahead and make your first AI influencer, click on the first link in the description down below to sign up for ARCADs, and let me know what niche you are going to be targeting in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to hear it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one.